What if you didn't have to choose? What if you could make more money and have more impact? More money and more impact. Everybody say more money and more what? More impact. So everyone is saying that right now over in the chat feature for those folks that are ready to make a difference in the world. For those folks who showed up so they could serve other people. For those folks who are here for a reason and a purpose and they know they were called to do something much bigger than themselves. In the chat feature, go ahead and put down more impact. Put down more impact. You see, the number one challenge, I see more impact, more impact, more impact, more impact. We don't have to choose. We're going to be able to not only have more impact, but also make more money at the same time. Does that sound good? Say, oh yeah, that's good, that's good. So as you're listening right now, here's the number one challenge. The number one challenge facing entrepreneurs today is not having enough revenue in their business to purchase the resources that are necessary to execute that big vision they have for the people they were called to serve. Not having enough money, and this might be you, maybe just to leave your 9 to 5. Not having enough money, maybe right now, to purchase the coaching or consulting team you have. Not having enough money for those folks out there that want to hire their own project manager, have their own graphics team, or just put together an organization. And here's the good news. If that sounds like you, just quietly whisper, oh yeah, if that sounds like you.